Prepping tulips. Hello and welcome to today's episode where we have the pleasure of showing you how we prep our tulips for our cakes. I'm your host Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Now whether you're new to caking or have been in business for a while, we're here to share all our insider tips to make your caking journey that little bit easier. Now before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow along with us. If you have any comments or suggestions for tutorials, just send us a DM over on Instagram at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette and we'll be sure to try and fulfill your request. So what's so special about tulips, I hear you ask? They are a special variety of flower, but unfortunately they don't last long. To make them last longer and stay fresher for longer, here are our best tips. Firstly, like other flowers for your cakes, try and purchase your flowers as close to the day for use as possible. Having said that, I never leave it to the day of, just in case the florist can't supply what you have requested and you need to keep shopping around. For a cake that is due on Saturday, I would aim to purchase the tulips on either Thursday or Friday. Bring them straight home and wash the stems so they're nice and clean. Next, go ahead and cut off approximately 1 inch of the stem from the base on an angle and make sure they're placed in fresh water, which you change daily. I also go back and cut off a slight bit more of the stem each day, and so keep this in mind in case your design calls for long stems. Now this is the secret thing you need to know. Go and get a pin and locate the stem approximately 1 centimeter below the flower petals. Using your pin, pierce it right through the stem, so essentially you have 2 holes in the stem. I don't know why, but this keeps your tulips fresher and more upright for longer. These lasted for 8 days, whereas usually I have found that after 2 days my tulips had drooped. Make sure you try it out and let us know how you go. You can find us on Instagram at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette and send us a DM or comment below. Now don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial and can't wait to see you next time.